Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome on Kubuntu 24.04, but the process is a manual Kubuntu versions. First open the default browser, that is Firefox, then go to Google, and not only Google, go to any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Click on download Chrome. Then select the 64-bit.debian package and click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this .debian package. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to applications, open this console, increase the font by pressing Ctrl plus symbol. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Go to all applications, then search for Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Open it. Now, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. ls, this file is not recorded anymore, so remove it. rm, give Google, give the tab, enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on Kubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.